All right, everybody, how's it going today? I am good. It's Wednesday, another day at work. We got our big curls still fluffing and in, and really on those big curly days, if you wanted to wear your curls 2 days, go bye. Wear your curls 2 days. Get on it. I'm thinking, of course, it's an updo day, so I'm going to take my hair, do some random high ponytails. Fast way to get your hair up. Have something cute. Just try to pull them up towards the top. And then we'll pin some hair after to make it all full and fabulous. Now leave some pieces down. Pull it to the top. Okay. And with the last bit at the bottom, I pull that straight up and pin it. No ponytail that. Trying to get our updo look, right? So now we have all these curly ponytails. Cindy Lou Who here. You know, I like to tease it out. It'll just get some fullness in these curls so you can find out where to pin them, where to put them. Look how big and fabulous that is. Oh, Dolly Parton's gonna be happy with me today. Big Texas hair. So, okay, we have this, right? And then what we want to do, get down closer to you, is I'll just take some, pin it up to fill it in so it doesn't look like you have tons of ponytails. Just looks like you have a big bally mess on top of your head. Cause you know, I'll be the first one to admit I like messy hair, and I cannot lie. Make some curls. Just make sure it fills in. Big part. This little cute Hispanic girl that played the guitar, Cha-Cha, or I know it's not Jaja, might be her sister. Alright, so we do that, right? And then I like to get me a bow going on. So this. Do that. Cute bow. Got your hair. Big messy updo in the back. Go around. You can freeze and shine it into place, and then it won't go anywhere all day if that's what you want to do. And then it's fun and funky and cute and up. Fancy, fancy, very nice. And then everyone will be like, oh my god, you're so cute. I love your little bow and accessories. Accessorize, ladies, accessorize. It's great, it's good. You can wear a bow in your hair. Who cares how old you are? It's cute. I think it's cute. I don't really care what anybody else thinks, right? So thank you for watching. If you liked the video, press like, subscribe, tell your friends. Let's get up to 50 viewers, please. Yes, let's do it. New year, another day, and I'll see you tomorrow for our next down do. Thank you.